What's up, Umbares? In this video, I'm going to show you how we built this extravagant pool in only 13 days. Let's dive right on in. What's up, Umbares? Guys, we're out in Sarasota today. Check it out. It is April 18th, Thursday. Okay, it's 1 o'clock. We just got out here and get started. We're going to go from a picture of a pool in the ground to a pool here real soon. Remember, Thursday, April 18th, today's day one. As you can see, today's nothing but grass. We literally just got started the first bucket. This is the first bucket, guys. This is super exciting. This is our extravagant pool. Make sure you stay tuned and see our progress. Still the first day, guys. Check it out. It is still April 18th, Thursday. It's only 4:30, let's call it, okay? We started this basically around 1:30. That's only 3-hour progress, okay? That's fair to say. Let's say roughly 3 hours. This was 3 hours ago, this was just grass. We have now a pool done, dug out, framed out, drain set. Okay, we're already setting our gravel. Guys, in 3 hours, this is how we do it at Umbare. Stay tuned. All right, let's see what the next step is. Guys, check it out. Today is April 23rd, Tuesday. We started this on Thursday last week. We started late on Thursday, like around 1:30. So we had Friday full day Monday, and a little bit today. So that's only 3 days. And this pool's already shot. Look at this, the Gunite is already complete in 2.5 days. Let's call it 3 days, okay? 3 business days. Nobody worked on the weekend. 3 business days. And we have a pool in the ground, okay, guys? This is how we operate at Umbare. Keep in mind, we have a beautiful debris container out front to haul away all the trash so this whole backyard doesn't get covered with it. We also have a portable restroom for the workers to use, so you know it's nice and clean out here. It's nice and sanitary. And this is just how we operate. This is all gonna be cleaned up right now by the end of the day. And tomorrow we're going to do something that's called the stripping grade, which means you see all this wood here on the form boards, right? That's what holds the form of the pool in place while we're doing the Gunite. Stripping grade means we're going to remove all this, we're going to come in and we're going to grade everything real nice, okay? So that's the process here. Once that gets done, we're going to go ahead and go into the plumbing, get the plumbing done. And once that's done, guys, we're going 100 miles an hour as usual. And we're going to do all the coping here is going to get done. The pavers are going to get done. This pool is going to be wrapped up, guys, I would say probably within a week. It's just, I mean, it's just, literally, it is that simple. There's nothing complicated about building a pool and getting it done in a timely manner. These other pool builders, why do they take so long? Well, why do you do it so fast? And my response is, I don't know why they take so long. To be honest, I don't know how to do it any different. This is just organic for us, okay? We just follow our steps, our procedures, and the pool gets done in a really fast time frame, okay? But not only does it get done fast, the quality of work is absolutely perfect. The quality that we do is really good. Everybody that works with us, we have a really great team, okay? I have to say we have a really, really good team. You know, we spent quite some time before starting the business vetting all the crews, and you know, with our expertise, you know, we have a supervisor and manager that runs the jobs. He's been with me for over 18 years. So when it comes to details, we really know what we're doing. We know what we're looking for. We can't have people on our jobs that don't know what they're doing because we're going to notice it immediately. So we've been blessed with great crews. Everybody works great together. Guys, it's really that simple. You go to our website, you can build your pool, pick your options. If you pick another pool builder, I always hear complaints that there's always issues. We have a simple solution. All you have to do is just pay the price. You live nice and simple, like a king and queen, and that's it. You enjoy your life. Look at this beautiful pool, guys. Absolutely beautiful. This is our shell paver with our glass tile. What a beautiful color combination here. Guys, it's only May 2nd, and we're already at this point here. Irrigation just got put in today. Okay, so we're going to be doing the landscaping, irrigation, new grass, and all this is going to be done by probably Tuesday of next week. Okay, so just a couple more days. Today's Thursday, so 2-3 more days. This is all done, guys. Look at all this. May 3rd, very nice and clear. See that? May 3rd. We started this job April 18th. That's 15 consecutive days. Take out the weekends, it's 11 business days. Guys, look what we have. This pool is pretty much complete, okay? The only thing left to do is the pool interior, fill it up with water, and obviously the pavers, and the job is done. All the plumbing's done, electrical's done, pool equipment has been set, everything is already done. The footers are already put in place, everything's ready to go, guys, okay? Not only did we do this in 11 days, we also did the irrigation, and if you guys swing around, go ahead, look behind you. We also painted this house. This homeowner chose to live like a king and queen and have all these extra little accoutrements done. You could go ahead and you can hire people on your own And you can save a little bit of money and hire somebody to paint your house, do your irrigation. Actually, some of you may have to hire your own irrigation company to do your HOA, okay? And also your landscaping. Could you save a little bit? Sure. But with Umbare, what you're gonna get with us, okay, we're gonna get it all done in the same time frame. You're gonna have a builder to have your best interest in mind. We have all our subcontractors vetted, insured. Okay? Everybody goes through us. And on top of that, we're gonna handle all the management, all the time scheduling, all the communications. When you work with Umbare, behind the scenes, guys, it's like a machine going 100 miles an hour, okay? We're in an alternate reality. To get a job done this quick, the communication has to be spot on. And where we're going as fast as we're going, you're not gonna be able to keep up with us and try to hire your little guys to come in there and do things in between, okay? It's just not gonna happen. So if you go with us, we'll be able to give you the best value, okay? Because we're gonna vet everybody, we have your best interest, we're gonna manage everything, we're gonna do all the coordination. All you literally gotta do is live like a king or queen, pay the price, very simple, and we handle it for you. Keep in mind, this was 11 days, and look what we have here, okay? This pool's pretty much done. A couple more days next week, all right, Monday, Tuesday, and this job is already done. What's up, Umbares? Check out this job, guys. Today is Monday to May 6th. May 6th, guys. Absolutely beautiful out here, beautiful day. These pavers look absolutely beautiful. This is the travertine shell paver. It's getting wrapped. The landscapers are here. All the grass, landscaping. We're doing all the grading right now. The pool interior prep guys are gonna be here. Safety fence is going up. Pool prep is also gonna get done. It's probably gonna be filled with water starting tomorrow. So this pool was built pretty quick, guys, down here in Sarasota. The last day in the Sarasota pool project, guys, check it out. Today is May 7th. May 7th. We started this pool on April 18th. Okay, that is only 19 consecutive days. Take out the weekends, guys, and that was 13 business days. 13 business days. Not only did we build this pool, guys, we're gonna be filling this up with water, by the way, by the end of the day today. Okay, the pool interior is going in, it's gonna be filled with water. We also did the irrigation. We're gonna be doing landscaping, which is going in right now, and we're gonna be doing all brand new grass. We also painted the back of this house, did all the stucco work back here. So not only are we super efficient with timing, guys, our quality is absolutely perfect, okay? I want to stress to you, just because we're extremely fast, like we're living in an alternate reality compared to anyone else, okay? Our quality is still top of the line, okay? We do not skimp on quality. It's very easy to do great quality when everybody knows what they're doing. We're all professionals out here. Everything goes smoothly. And if you just go to our website, go to umbarepools.com, you could be on our next video. I wanted to bring you guys back to the Sarasota project. All the landscaping and grass has been done. Take a look at this. Okay, just a few days ago, we had tractor tracks in here. If you actually purchase the new grass, irrigation, and landscape packages from us, this is what you get. Okay, we properly come in here, we grade everything. Look at the beautiful landscaping. The homeowner actually went ahead and had us do all the landscaping around the property. She customized it a little bit more. But guys, take a look. This was finished a couple days ago. This pool we started on April 18th. Not even a month, guys, and look at this. This looks like a private resort oasis here. This is absolutely amazing and beautiful. Okay, the landscaping is very colorful, very pretty. The quality of work, the cleanliness. I haven't seen this done, okay? This is absolutely beautiful. This is our extravagant pool. This whole pool was built, everything you see here, in 13 business days. In 13 business days. Guys, if you want to get swimming this summer, your best chance is with Umbare Pools. It's hot. Okay, it's like 95 degrees out. How wonderful would it be to jump in your pool? Okay, we can make that happen. It's still not too late. Give us a call and we can get a pool built for you. Let's take a look at the quality here. The quality is perfect. There's nothing out of place. Everything is clean, everything is organized. This is our beautiful shell, travertine, and our extravagant pool. This is one of our top seller pool models, #1, and the color of the tile is the mercury turquoise. Absolutely beautiful, guys. The color combination is beautiful. The spa is oversized, okay? We have this size in every single pool size that you pick. If you want to get swimming this summer, because it's hot, okay, your best chance is going to Umbare Pools. Pick your pool, pick your options, and let's go!